Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing a manual cutoff switch. Why, you might ask? Some cars have air suspension which continues to run even though the car is stationary, and if it does, it'll blow the pump when the battery drains, that beast over there. The other thing, speaking of the battery, when the battery drains it goes flat, and that's not good for it. You want to keep these things charged up, not overcharged but consistent. So if you have a battery cutoff switch, you can stop the battery from being drained, either by the car just sitting or a random phantom draw that you might have from some modification you've done. So let's get started. And that, my friends, is literally how easy it is to install. So let's just test this theory out. So I just inserted the key into ignition. You can hear it buzzing. Further test. Horn works. Walk over here. Disconnect. You don't hear the chime. And then the horn. Nothing whatsoever. Turn it on. You hear the chime. That's also a great anti-theft device. And there's the horn. So that is literally how easy it is to install a manual battery cutoff switch. Thanks for watching. Just a quick closer look. You can see that I bolted on the negative battery terminal right there, and then the new cutoff switch right here. And again, positive battery terminal right here. Always keep these things clean. This is really bad to see all this kind of corrosion and whatnot. You don't really want to see that, so I'll probably be taking this apart, cleaning it up with a brush wheel. Might spray on some grease or whatever, like non-electrical grease. And then the other thing you could do, if you had enough space, which I don't, is you can turn this to go this way, and you have it situated a little better. I could bring this a little closer in. Again, these are just all the little things you can do. But it works. Right now it's in the off position. Tighten it up, it goes. So